In this video, I'm going to show you how to transport clips with transparent background captions in OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Once your video has been uploaded to OpusClip, make sure that you are in the Edit page settings. If I play my video, you will see that there is a box around my captions, which takes away from the video. To change this, go to the right column and select Captions, and then just choose a different preset for your captions. So if I select Karaoke or Beastie, you will then see that box disappear. So now if I play my video, it just has the captions without a box around it. Once you are happy with the captions you have selected and the box has been removed, you can then export your video in the top right corner. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.